Babe, where are you going?
Dada. Oh,
Ano yun?
baba.
Paano nag-reset?
Das.
Hi guys! Where are you going?
Lola.
Lola? Lola? Hi guys! Daddy, say hi. Hi guys! Buti pa si Bray marunong.
Hi guys.
Lapit na po kami sa aming destinasyon. Naantok pa po ako. Si Bray, kagigising lang. It's already, ano, oras na ba?
7:28.
7:28 in the morning. Galit na galit yung tigyawat ko. Hi guys, where are we?
Chich.
No! Where are we? We're at Lola's. Lola's
Lola.
house.
House.
Yay! Yay! Ito na po ang Awesome Clan! Ayan po sila! Yay! Yan. Brave, who is this? Who is this? Come here. Introduce your ano. Who is that? Tito?
Baba.
Baboy. This one, who's that?
Tito.
This one.
Sese.
Seb, this one, who is this?
Tito. Oh.
This one, who is this, tita? Me?
Me. Si.
Very good. This one, ate?
Chang.
Jang, ganing.
Chang.
Kuya? Ah?
Chang.
No, yun. Who's that? Who's that?
Lola.
Lola, the other one.
Oh.
Yay! Buntis si Lolo! Yay! Ngayon ay anniversary namin ni Daddy!
Yay! Walang forever!
Yay! Tapos anniversary din nila ko Tito Nono!
Walang forever!
Aray ko ang gulo yan! Aray ko, party muna po kami mga guys. Hey, bye! Bye guys!
Kumonek yan. Naka-VPN kasi. Ba't kasi naka-VPN? Ayan!
Ayan na, move ka dyan, Brave! Brave, move! Who is that, Brave? Who is that, Tito? Brave, who is that, Tito? Tito?
Ito Evan. Sabi niya. Sino yan?
Ito na yung bagong star. Star ng vlog. Brave, who is this? Who is that?
Wala lang movie, tamabahan ka naman.
Tito? This one, Tito?
What's your name?
This one. Uy!
Uy, pinapayaw ko sa vlog mo.
Who is that, Tito? Hi guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We are here at the Sundaligan Beach with the Awesome Clan po. Yan, na-miss ni Brave po ang dagat. Ito po ang aking hometown. Dito po ako lumaki. So, maaga po kami ngayon para sa fresh air. Nakakamiss. Finish your food. Stop crying. Finish first your food. What do you want? You finish first your food. So, ha? You like to go home na? Finish first. Finish. Finish mo yan. Oh, you stop crying first. Later, sit down first. No crying. Stop crying. Oh, no whining, ha? Oh, you finish your food. What do you want? Oh, you finish that one. Hi guys! It's 6 o'clock in the evening. We are going where? Go to? SM! Burger Steak! He's still here in Pangasinan. Our last day po. Mamamasyal lang po kami. We're going to have dinner with a friend po, best friend po. At ang aking driver. Wow, ang pogi naman ng driver ko. What will you say?
Hi guys.
Brave lang. Pasyal muna kami guys. Uwi na kami later sa Cavite. Say bye. Again.
Oh, my dad.
Oh, you sing. What will you sing? What will you sing? Sing ka na. Na, yay! Ay, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yay!
Tumatawa kayo.
Okay lang yun. Hi po mga awesome viewers. Andito na po kami sa Cavite. Today is, anong date ngayon? December 30 po. Kanina pa po kami umaga nandito from Pangasinan. Hindi po kami nag-vlog dahil pagod po kami. Yun po. Sana na-enjoy nyo po yung aming vlog number 16 na po. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung aming travel to Pangasinan. That's my hometown po. And si Brave po. Ano si Brave? Ayun po.
Tulog na po.
Knock-out na po siya. So, marami pa po tayong mga activities for these coming days po kasama ang dating pasaway. So, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aming vlog, Please
like, share, and subscribe for my...
Oh, yan na naman siya. Please
So,
like, share, and subscribe po mga ka-awesome viewers. And lagi po ninyong supportahan ang aming vlog kasi this is not just vlogging. This is autism awareness po. Napakita po namin kung ang buhay ng anak po namin sa araw-araw po namin struggles po. Sa beyond his limitation po kung paano namin kinakaya po lahat. Yun po. So, always remember po mga ka-awesome viewers.
It's okay to be
Ano ba yun,
different.
Donnie? Sabay tayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It
It's
is okay to be
different.
different. Good night po mga ka-awesome
Bye.
viewers.